Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in household products. Today, we're talking about a product that's not just great, it's the best citrus all-purpose cleaner you'll find. Introducing the 365 by Whole Foods Market all-purpose cleaner in citrus scent. This cleaner is one of the most versatile, powerful, and eco-friendly products you can add to your cleaning arsenal. Let's start with the basics. The 365 all-purpose cleaner comes in a 26 fluid-ounce bottle, perfect for tackling all your cleaning tasks. Whether it's your kitchen counter, bathroom surfaces, or even your car interiors, this cleaner does it all. It's designed to cut through grease, grime, and dirt with ease, leaving behind a refreshing citrus fragrance that'll make your entire home smell fresh and clean. What makes this cleaner stand out is its focus on natural ingredients. The formula uses plant-based surfactants like caprolol, decyl glucoside, making it a safer choice for you and your family. It's free from harsh chemicals, which is great news for those who are concerned about using products with synthetic ingredients. It's also gentle on the environment, as it doesn't contain any phosphates or dyes. Using this product is incredibly easy. Just spray it on the surface you want to clean and wipe it off with a cloth. It leaves no residue behind, just a nice, clean finish that you can feel good about. The natural citrus scent isn't overpowering. It's just right, giving your space a refreshing, clean atmosphere. Now, let's talk about value. At its price point, the 365 by Whole Foods Market all-purpose cleaner offers excellent performance for the money. Not only do you get a premium cleaning product that's tough on messes, but it also fits within a budget-friendly range. If you're someone who values high-quality ingredients and eco-conscious products, this one checks all the boxes. If you're looking for a reliable, all-natural cleaner that gets the job done without the toxic chemicals, this product is for you. Whether you're a fan of citrus scents or just need a go-to cleaner for your home, this 365 cleaner will become a staple in your household cleaning routine. Don't just take our word for it. Give it a try and experience the difference yourself. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that make your life easier. Stay clean and see you in the next video.